رغم اختلاف وجوهنا سنظل نشبه بعضنا إن ما تزينت الوجوه بالابتسام.
But if someone speaks 5 languages, you don't speak, for example, 3 languages. So lack of knowledge or lack of language, it's not the reason for the person to be bullied. This is, you need to always remember.
So you can't racially abuse someone because of his color or nothing. A white person is not smarter than a black, vice versa is not true as well. Everyone is equal to the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But verbally, that's a problem. Verbally, that's a huge problem.
How are you keeping yourselves safe online?
Of course, you don't always choose what you see online, and you will always see model bodies that you wish you could have, or beautiful faces, but I always remind myself that everything on the internet is not true, and that I don't choose my body, I don't choose my face, I don't choose my hair color, my eye color.
لأن الله تعالى هو الذي قال ذلك، قال ولا تلمزوا أنفسكم أولا ولا تنابزوا بالألقاب.
You just don't see your comments and don't listen to them.
You don't listen to the comments.
And it depends about the comments.
Okay.
For example, if you're heavy in weight and they tell you you're fat,
Yeah.
that's true.
So I have the simplest way how to avoid that. Just don't have social media, that's it.
You don't have social media.
I don't have social media.
I like that too.
Alhamdulillah, we had an assembly today to talk about bullying, the effects of it, and why it is wrong.
And how did that make you feel?
He does not trust himself anymore like he used to trust it when he was not bullied.
My advice is that we must respect each other, and if you are being bullied, try to understand why does he bully you, because maybe he's hurt himself and maybe you can help him.
Today we talked about bullying. MashaAllah, it was a very beneficial speech. And guys, whatever we do, whatever we say, whatever we look like, people are always going to find something to criticize us about. So be yourself and get out stronger of it, because you can.